Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll walk you through each step of setting up your Google Nest Hub. Whether you're new to this device or just looking for a quick refresher, our detailed guide will ensure a smooth setup experience. Let's dive in. First, let's unbox the Google Nest Hub. Inside the box, you'll find the Nest Hub itself, a power adapter, and some quick start guides. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the device. Next, plug in your Google Nest Hub using the provided power adapter. Connect it to a power outlet and watch as the device powers on. You'll see the Google logo followed by a welcome screen. While the Nest Hub is powering up, grab your smartphone or tablet and download the Google Home app. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. If you already have the app, make sure it's updated to the latest version. Launch the Google Home app and log in using your Google account. If you don't already have an account, you can easily create one directly within the app to get started. Open the Google Home app and locate the icon in the top left corner. Tap on it and then select Set Up Device from the menu. Next, choose New Devices to begin the process of adding and setting up your Google Nest Hub. The app will start searching for your Google Nest Hub. Once it detects the device, select it from the list and follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Nest Hub to your Wi-Fi network. To tailor your experience, you can set up voice match. This feature enables the Nest Hub to identify your unique voice, delivering customized responses and personalized information based on your individual preferences. Your Google Nest Hub is now set up. Take some time to explore its features. You can ask Google to play music, show your calendar, control smart home devices, and much more.